83 times 76 using the area model. First, take your numbers and break them apart into expanded form. That's 80 plus 3 and 70 plus 6. Then trace with your fingers. We're going to take our number down and our 3 down, and then our number over, and our 6 will go over. Then we know we're going to multiply. 8 times 7 is 56. Plus you need to add on your 2 zeros. 7 times 3 is 21. Plus 1 more 0. 8 times 6 is 48. Plus 1 more 0. 3 times 6 is 18. Then we're going to line up our place values over on the side to add them together. When we add those together, 8 plus 0 plus 0 plus 0 is 8. 8 plus 1 is 10. We need to carry our 1, bring down our 0. We have 6 plus 4 is 10. Plus 2 more gives you 12. Plus 1 more gives you 13. Carry your 1, bring down your 0. 5 plus 1 is 6, giving you 6,380.